Hello, this is Seth from Northland Dodge in Prince George, and today we're looking at a 2013 Nissan Pathfinder SL. Under the hood we have a 3.5 liter V6 engine and a 1-speed CVT transmission. This guy's in blue, looks nice. You do have that bug deflector up front there with the Nissan badging. You also have your headlights right there with your fog lights hanging out down there. And coming around the side here we do have our general brand tires with our 18-inch rims. They look very nice. You do also have your heated exterior mirrors right there. And coming all the way around to the back of the vehicle, you got the Pathfinder badging, as well as the Nissan, the 4-wheel drive, and the SL. Now, as long as it's unlocked, we can just press this button right here, and it will open up for us. We also have our parking sensors right down there. Looks awesome back here, very spacious. You can fold this guy up. You do have some extra space just underneath there. You can also fold these seats forward right here, just like that, giving you even more room back here. And then to close it up is just that button right there. Got our keys here. We have our remote start up here. We have our lock, unlock, and then we also have our button to open up the back and the panic. But let's unlock and let's take a look on the inside. So on the door here, we do have electric mirrors, windows, and locks all hanging out there. Got your handle here and some handles here and seat storage. Or sorry, you have your seat memory. And it does look fantastic in here. The leather seats are very comfortable. The beige is very nice. You do also have the controls over the seats here, so backward and forward, tilt and lumbar support. And then over here we do have our controls over our traction control, our heated steering wheel, the button for the back, the power door open. Then you also have the tow mode and the off and on there. Then up here we do have the controls over our lights, so our off, on, daytime running lights and low beams, as well as our fog lights and high beams, and then in-cabin light control right there. Let's start her up here. Foot on the brake, press the button, and it starts right up for us. Now in the center here we do have our speedometer and odometer, as well as fuel gauge and engine temperature. Now it does also tell us how many kilometers we have and the temperature outside. Now we can also see our range and all that different guys right there. Now we can switch it around from there. We got different average driving stuff. We have our tire pressure. We have our 4x4 there. We also have our average liters. We have our warnings and our different settings there as well. Now that is controlled from right here with your selector. Then you have your volume up and down, your source with your Bluetooth, your horn in the center, and your cruise control options right there. And then we do have our windshield wipers right over here. In the center here we do have our display. It looks very nice. You do have your different selectors through your audio, display, your switch, your different statuses here, your info, and when you are in reverse you have that ever useful backup camera keeping you nice and safe. So when we are in our radio, we do have our FM and AM. Then down here we do have the status info settings, back button, our selectors there, brightness, our night mode, as well as the brightness there. Then you do have your back button and your passenger airbag there. Then you have your CD player, your presets, volume up and down, AM and FM, disc, aux cord, scan, your tracks there. Then you also have your tuner and browser over there. Then over here we do have our climate control. So it is a dual climate system for you and your passengers, so you can have different temperatures. Then you also have your circulation in your rear. Then you also have your AC, your defrosts, your mode, and your rear defrost, as well as some storage down there. Heated seats here and gear shift is right here. You also have your mode selector there and some cup holders. You got your armrest, doubles as a storage container with 2 layers, top and bottom. And then over here we do have a locking glove box with our owner's manual inside of it. And up top you do have the controls over the sunroof, as well as a sunglass holder and the light controls. Let's take a look in the back here. Open this guy up. On the door here you got your handle, you got a little cup holder, control of your windows, and a handle here and down here. You do have lots of room in here as well. Very nice and spacious. It does seat 7 people all together. And you can fold this guy down right here, and you got an armrest with some cup holders. As well, you have a outlet and some heated seats there. And folding this guy down, you can see we have the other 2 seats right back there with the cup holders there. Well, that does it for my walk around video, the 2013 Nissan Pathfinder. If you want to come and take a closer look for yourself or take it for a test drive, come on down to Northland Dodge in Prince George. Talk to our sales specialists. Thanks for watching.